Left hand up, left hook, right hand, left hook. Up. Okay. Good. He's not a Mayweather style fighter. He's not he's a pressure fighter. He does come to have a fight sometimes, and sometimes that's his downfall. But he does like to, even in sparring, you've got to keep an eye on him because he is an aggressive fighter. I've had big boys, Lee Evans from Aberdeen, big men, you know what I mean? Plays rugby for Ponty, he was captain underneath, and he'd go in with him, and he'd just say, Pebbles, he's a nightmare. He'd watch big, the big shots coming at him, you know what I mean? The likes of Nathan King, he's like the heavyweight. He spars with Nathan, you know what I mean? The weight, nothing bothers him. I got a boy, Aaron Lacey, one of the hardest punchers you've seen, but he takes them all round. And he hurt a few of them as well. He's a very heavy-handed boy, like. You get fighters, right? They're loyal. Tony, you got a place like, there's gyms all over that would snap him up. But, like, he looks at me and he just said to me now, before it all finished, he said, I'm never leaving out, now. I said, look, Pat, I said, to be honest with you, once this is all done and dusted, let's hope you make money out of it. Because it shouldn't be a chore to him now. We should be enjoying it, but he needs this break. But I wouldn't overlook Tony Dixon. I definitely wouldn't write him off because one thing he doesn't do, he never ever goes anywhere to lose. I've never sat in a car with him and never mentioned losing. Never ever.